Leading health experts from the GCC convened in Bahrain today for a scientific meeting on clinical research. The symposium is collaboratively organized by the National Health Regulatory Authority and the Arabian Gulf University. More details in this report with Al-Shaaban.
The second symposium on clinical research kick-started its activities at the Arabian Gulf University today. The symposium brings together leading figures in healthcare and clinical research from all over the region. Officials say the meeting is of utmost importance.
It's very important actually because Gulf states now actually moving in the health services actually to go into maybe to the health industry, and then that's actually the most important thing is to have some kind of research to develop a drug, to develop any kind of research and science in the world, and that's actually a lot of regulation because without regulation is going to be abused, and this is actually is not going to attract serious partners in this kind of field. So I think our regulation is very important, and if we actually be able to make one regulation for the whole GCC countries.
The gathering is meant to set standards for the practice of clinical research within the GCC countries and unite our efforts in the name of medical and clinical excellence.
We are very pleased to host the second scientific meeting for regulating clinical trials in Bahrain in cooperation with the Arabian Gulf University. This meeting is very special to us because it's not only going to talk about capacity building for the ethics research committees that are in the hospitals, but it hosts a very big GCC meeting. We have all our colleagues and partners from the 6 GCC countries, and we will be discussing putting a unified regulation, GCC regulation for regulating clinical trials. There is a proposal, a Bahraini-Saudi proposal for that, and I hope that it will be adopted and taken up to the ministers to adopt it as a guideline for all the countries.
The ultimate goal of the conference is to come up with a unified document that would lead the way for a united clinical research protocol in the health industries of the region. And the GCC collaboration continues in all fields, and today in the field of medical research as we aspire to set the rules and regulations for the betterment of the field in our countries. For Bahrain International, this is Al-Shaaban.